Okay, we're here now, back this island girl again. And my island girl, oh look at back again, my island girl. Oh, back again, the island. We're again in the beach. Okay, enjoy lang to the max. Nandito kami sa Dumaguete. Why dili magpalayo ah? Ha? Oh, wala kaming ano dito oh. Peaceful. Kasi walang klase ni heaven, no school, no schedule for Thursday. That's it. Kami lang, solemn. Walang sasaw. High tide today, getting now down the water. May mga cargo boat. Ayan. Mga fishing men. Mga fisher boat. Close the car. I think I forgot the car. Balik again, my little girl back, my island girl, oh, back again. Enjoy swimming. Enjoy the life saver for ring. Enjoy na naman siya. Hala! Na ano? Give me it back. Broken. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me back. I don't know if you like it, Mom. Huh? No, I don't have a... oo. I tell to Angie to bring. Okay, nag-play na lang my girl. Damage ng yung floating ring. I need to buy patches. Solemn, very solemn tayo ba? Only we are the guests here. It seems like we are the one only guest here. Nothing. We're just here. Batan? Yep, I know. My girl, flying na lang. Hey, Benny. There's a plane. Okay. Huh? Ah, that's a... Okay, we have my neighbor now. We have another guest here. Go now. Dili matog layo kayo biha. Handbag? What is that one? Oh, Pascat. Mandapitan possible. Oh, this is maybe, I don't know what is this. Green. Not kokailong. It's I don't know what is ferry boat this one. Muni among picnic baon. Unmix lang. Kaon na ka?
Kaon na siya. Kaon mo ta siyang chips. Nana kong rice, alaman at saka mo chips.
Two white ones, and one is teal color. It looks like a head.
We have a party, oh, afternoon birthday, maybe birthday party. They're here also, birthday party, birthday party. My husband so much busy with their phone. Ebony, my girl, eating the chips. Okay guys, and enjoying. It's a wave, very wavy. No, strong wave, oh. Nag-enjoy si Heaven. Just enough there. Don't go away. Alisa! Heaven, there! No! That's enough! That's enough! Don't go away! There only! Oh, see? See? Strong ang kwan, wave! Heaven, there lang! Strong ang wave! Heaven, there lang! Don't go far! Hey! Listen to mommy! Don't go far! Bam! Don't go far! Heaven! Don't go far! The wave is very strong. Okay? There lang on. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down there. There lang there. There. Sit down there. Sit down lang. There lang sa sand. Yeah, there. You cannot swim. There. Sit down lang. You cannot swim. Oh, so heavy. Strong kayo. Strong kayo, be. Diyan lang. Play lang ka sa water, oh. There, oh. There, oh. Wavy kaya ang ano, high tide. Not totally. Going to high tide. Okay. Nag-enjoy kami dito. Gamit namin na ocean. Sa Dumaguete. Lalo na sa kung island. May islander. Itim na kami dito. Dahil sa islander ko. Ang daddy din namin, oh. Always magpasan. Okay. More girls playing her sun toys. May islander, oh, black na. Hilig sa ano. Ala, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Fly na. Put a sun so that will not fly. Put a sun. Put your sun so that it will not fly. Oh, mag-fly siya, oh. Celes. Fly siya, oh. Sleepy akong island girl. Daddy is still there. Oh. Yan. Sleepy na. Wake up na akong girl. Oh. Wake up na. Oh, wake up na girl. Among island girl, wake up na. Well, go home na. Go home na me. Let's go home, Daddy. Huh? Okay. Okay, my Celestia again. Swimming time. Swimming enjoyment. Our girl. Island girl. Our island girl. Swimming time. Yes, guys. Please support my Celestia. Donation, support, help my Celestia autism for the enrollment of the arts development learning. Guys, could you give me a support? Yeah, just for her, my autism. Yes. Okay. She has a fun for today. Swimming. This morning she got a frustration. Crying. Early morning frustration. Okay. My husband. Please support, love my Celestia. Support, please. Not for us, just for Celestia. I'm a grandma. Her mom cannot give a support. Totally, it's so hard now. Very expensive. The little income. Not enough for the living. Okay guys, support. Friends, play mo ni Kuan, Heaven. Play mo ni Heaven. Heaven, dili magago sa layo. Dili na. Closer. Ay. Kay hugaw manggod. Picturean ta na lang mo. Nag-boating sila, oh. Sorry kay friends ha, dili kay siya ga-interact. Oh, she learning how to float. Floating yourself. Good. Oh. Bam, talk to friends. Talk to friends, Bam. May pa si friends. Swimming mo, Cow! You know how to swim. Oh! Celeste! Wow! You know how to dive na? You know how to dive? Submerge. Go down. There's a lot of kids here, guys. It's a Friday, but still a lot of people here because it's summer. This one, the kids all playing of boating. Look at my talented girl. They're drawing. Here's a cat, bunny. She draw a bunny. She has a friend. She friends. Okay, swim na. Okay, my girl, swimming again. Oh, we're here. So high tide, guys. Very high tide. We're alone here. Not much. We are close in the Port of Royal Water Park. This is their resort there, the beach exit. Yay! Heaven! Wow, may heaven, oh. Okay, my girl. Another day for heaven. Another day heaven. Yang routine. My little girl. Island girl cannot play. My island girl, my island. My island girl. My little girl. Sige na, swimming na. Ayo, so far. No, come here, closer lang. What is that, pancake?
No, bastos.
Oh. What?